How to delete your transactions or transfer history on Venmo. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete or remove your transactions from Venmo. Well, the first things first, what you'll have to know or what you need to know is, can you delete a transaction on Venmo? Straight answer, it's not possible to delete or clear your past transactions, but what you can do is you can make them private. Now unfortunately there is no any option on the Venmo application itself, or Venmo doesn't give you an actual option to delete your transaction, but you can make them private. Now even deleting your Venmo account won't hide who you have paid or received money from, nor will blocking users with whom you have transacted will hide. So the only way is to make your account transactions private. Now making your past transactions private is an easy workaround that instantly hides your past transactions from other Venmo users. Once you make your past transactions private, they'll only be visible to you and to the person with whom you exchanged money. So this way you can remove a transaction from Venmo account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.